Kat Haduh kan riu Tarik Rymphang ar hajar ar Phaulai ki Kyrtong banya aireng syaka ying dorbar thau ain ka jella na them ri Bhoi kila kenjo syaka lai Bhoi Ngut haba khen kelum lang baro kata nadu kasngi basdang ka ar Tarik Rymphang ar hajar ar Phaulai hakan riu Tarik Rymphang ki bala Pyndep thep Kyrtong kum ki Kyrtong bat kular hakmat ki returning officer ki jongki na ki San Constituency ki kenthop ya saungut na United Democratic Party UDP ka way na ka Hill State People Democratic Party HSPDP way na ka People Democratic Front PDF laingun na ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP bat way Kyrtong Shimen bat baro hakani ka sngi ki bala dep thep Kyrtong kilong siphongon nadu basdang thep Kyrtong ka ar Tarik Rymphang Haduh menta kan riu Tarik Rymphang kilong kumne na ka United Democratic Party UDP na umsning uba Sunshine Makri na mau hati uba bayahun lang makdo na nongpo uba Meral Bonds im bat na jirang uba Badhok nong Mali katba na umroy ompat don naka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP na umsning uba Durut Majau na mauhati uba Everest Marsing na umroy uba Shanbor Ramde bat na nongpo ladap them hakasaw Tarik Rymphang naka Hill State People Democratic Party HSPDP kakong Iva Lini Kharbani uway na umsning uladap them hakasaw Tarik Rymphang naka People Democratic Front PDF na umroy uba bayatay lang lapang katba arngut kiladap thep Kyrtong hakasaw Tarik Rymphang na umsning bat na mauhati uway pat Kyrtong Shimet na mauhati Constituency uba Osbet batay lang renja katba uway Kyrtong Shimet uladap thep Kyrtong hakasaw Tarik Rymphang na jirang Constituency katba ka Voice of the People Party VPP tat Haduh menta tang uway Kyrtong na umsning Constituency ubaladap banthep Kyrtong hakasaw Tarik Rymphang ar hajar ar Phaulai kumba kalong menta kilai tili ki party kata ka Indian National Congress ka Trinamool Congress baka National People Party kilalong kiseng sain hima ki balabu Kyrtong banyakhun na baro santili ki Constituency Bhoi District
nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 8th Mahati ST Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, affirm that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by the law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Sunshine Makri have been nominated as the candidate to fulfill the seat in the 11th Umsting Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Dr. Everest Marsing, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Badhok Nomali, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on Legislative Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and will be uphold sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Bhoi have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Tilang Lapang, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly or Legislative Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Ngut dekat field seat in Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly or Legislative Council do swear in the name of God and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Niralbon Singh, having been nominated as a candidate to fill the seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 11th Muslim ST Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.